Hi, Dasya, welcome to my new video of engineering drawing, and in this video I am going to show you how to draw an isometric house with the help of drafter. So let's start. At first we will draw a reference line, then we will take a reference point over this line, and because this is isometric drawing, so we have to draw 30 and 90 degree angle lines with the help of drafter. So follow all the steps. And if you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe and support for more future videos. Thank you.